We'll continue tracking developments on the investigation. The accused has been identified but still not been arrested. Shifting focus now to news from Bihar. The JDU has alleged that the BJP is behind the dissent in the party. Spokesperson KC Tyagi said that Janata Dal will go ahead with Sharad Yadav's meeting that's been called on Saturday. A defiant Bihar Chief Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi has called for a meeting of party MLAs on the 20th of February. This comes a day after voicing disapproval towards Sharad Yadav's meeting. Manjhi earlier said that the legislature meeting can only be called by the Chief Minister. Sharad Yadav, after getting a green signal from Lalu Yadav, is said to have flown down to Patna last night to discuss the issue of Manjhi's removal and facilitate replacing him with Nitish Kumar. As the drama unfolds, Manjhi has found backing from two ministers, Narendra Singh and Nitish Mishra. Reports coming in also say that Manjhi is likely to sack 4 to 5 ministers who are from Nitish Kumar's camp. Lallan Singh, PK Shahi, Shyam Rajak and Shravan Kumar may face the axe.
जनता दल यू का जो संविधान है उसकी जो धारा संविधान की 23 है, उसकी जो उपधारा 3A है, उसके तहत पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के पास असीमित अधिकार प्रदत्त हैं, जिसके तहत श्री शरद यादव कोई भी निर्णय पार्टी में लेने के लिए अधिकृत हैं। हालांकि उन फैसलों को 1 महीने के अंदर राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारिणी से मंजूरी लेना आवश्यक है। तो उन्हीं ताकतों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए श्री शरद यादव जी ने कल शाम एनेक्सी में विधायकों की बैठक बुलाई है और मांझी जी के आग्रह पे ही बुलाई है। तो इस बैठक से अनुपस्थित होना पार्टी के जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं उनके द्वारा उनको दिए गए वचन के विरुद्ध आचरण करना है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, 20 तारीख की बैठक जो बुलाई गई है वह असंवैधानिक है, इलीगल है, अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है और इट कम्स अंडर द प्रीव्यू ऑफ द इनडिसिप्लिन आल्सो। कल बैठक होगी, विधायक लोग तय करेंगे कि किसको नेता चुनना है, विधायक लोग तय करेंगे कि आगे क्या रणनीति होगी।
Let's get a word from our correspondent Rohit Singh, who's with us live from Patna this afternoon. Rohit, the JDU accusing the BJP of organizing dissent within its ranks. They're saying that Jitin Ram Manjhi has the backing of BJP leaders from the state. Any reaction coming in from the BJP?
Well, Simi, at this point of time, BJP is simply adopting the policy of wait and watch. They are not saying anything. In fact, senior leaders are also right now not in Patna. But let me make one thing very clear, that Manjhi has convened a meeting of the JDU Legislative Party on 20th. But till 20th, no one will have to wait, because tomorrow everything will be very much clear, because the Nitish camp is going for the final kill tomorrow. They say that the meeting that has been convened by Sharad Yadav, that will be taking place tomorrow at the assembly at 4 in the evening, and there all the MLAs who are present, they will be choosing Nitish Kumar as the next leader of the legislative party, and he'll be replacing Manjhi as the new chief minister of Bihar. So tomorrow the stage is all set for the final showdown. But yes, tomorrow one thing will be very much clear, that how many MLAs are there supporting Manjhi. That will be clear, because we believe that at least 15 to 20 MLAs are there who are backing Manjhi at this point of time, and who may remain absent, and they may abstain from that crucial meeting tomorrow. But in all probability, that tomorrow's meeting that is going to take place, Nitish camp is all set to elect him as the leader of the legislative party.
Rohit Singh, thanks so much for that update. A big showdown expected tomorrow as that legislature party starts. That's been called by Sharad Yadav. Rohit, we're going to keep coming back to you for more reactions. In fact, some leaders of political parties have reacted to this blame game that's going on between the JDU and the BJP. JDU, of course, divided between the Nitish camp and the Manjhi camp. Let's listen in.
ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस हुआ है, कहीं ना कहीं एक ऐसे व्यक्ति जो अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे उनको ये अपमानित करने जैसी बात नहीं। निश्चित रूप से दो फाड़ है इसमें, कहीं ना कहीं ये इस बात से इनकार नहीं किया जा सकता है। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी के साथ काफ़ी मंत्री भी हैं और मेरा मानना है कि जिस हिसाब से उनकी कार्यशैली रही है विगत 8-9 महीने में, विधायकों का उन्होंने दिल जीता है और विधायकों को जो अपने एक नेता से जो चीज़ चाहिए थी उसको मांझी जी ने पूरा करने की कोशिश की है।